Want a cool creative way you can make money with trends like this? My name's Marissa and this is going to be an interesting video. I'm going to show you a way you can start making some money doing something you probably actually like. Although this will take a little bit of time for you to build, once you get it to a certain point, you may shock yourself with the results you can actually get from this. So let's get into this right now. Actually, I'm crazy. First off, like this video right now and subscribe if you haven't already if you want to see videos going over sites, business opportunities, and strategies on how you can make some money online. Also to see what I personally use to make up to $500 on a daily basis with, click that first link in my video description below. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go over to a site called Flattered. Now, there's a lot of ways you could probably think of how to make money with Flattered. I kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a creative kind of way, something that everybody, or at least most people, would like to do by creating content that's fun, entertaining, that you can get paid for. And the reason why I brought up the whole Popeyes versus chicken, first off, have y'all tried this? I want to know. I haven't tried this Popeyes chicken sandwich. I love Chick-fil-A. Let me know, please let me know. If y'all tried this Popeyes chicken sandwich is going viral, I want to know. The reason why I brought up this trend is because, first off, some of y'all people are freaking promoting things like this, you know, giving free advertisement to these companies. You could literally be doing the same kind of things, but just getting paid for it. I see the Facebook posts y'all make. I see the Facebook live videos y'all make. I see little smart comments you make on things that everybody likes. Maybe not all of you, but I see so many people on my social media that, you know, when it comes to things like this, they will talk about it, they will share it, they will, you know, just promote it pretty much essentially, but they're not getting paid for it. And I'm thinking in my head, man, they could be doing pretty much the same thing but getting paid for it. So a cool creative way you can use Flattered is, if you like doing that stuff, if you are fast on finding the trendy little things, you know, things that kind of come up in social media, whether it's, you know, food or people or whatever, and you like posting it about it, you know, you create posts, creative little funny posts about it, and people on your friends list or wherever you're at doing that like it, there's a chance you can turn that into a little side hustle. Go on Facebook and Instagram. Start on Facebook, start a little like page, okay? And it's maybe about comedy, right? You know, things where you are talking about, you know, trends that are happening, you know, pop culture trends or, you know, whatever funny kind of trends pop up that you like to already talk about. And instead of making your posts, making your live videos and doing all of that on your just personal profile, which you still could do, put it on a like page, right? Put it on an Instagram page that you've created. And then what'll happen is, if people already like it when you do that just on your regular page, more than likely they will like you if you are doing that on a business page. And what'll happen is people that follow you in that niche, especially entertainment and comedy, people are willing to support up and coming, you know, whether it's artists, comedians, or just, you know, an average person, you know, doing good things, making them laugh, and they will start to pay money to help support you. Now, you may think that's impossible. So Flattered is kind of a cool way you can start making money with what you already do. Okay, in a sense. Or another spin on it, if you are a photographer, you know, and you're not this huge photographer, but people like you, this is a really cool way to make money even with a small following on social media sites. Here's what you would do. You go to flattered.com, you would sign up as a creator. You would go ahead and, you know, put this out. You can put personal. If you are going to really start a business behind it, you can. For right now, we'll say personal. Put your name and everything like that. I really want to know, okay? I really want to know if that chicken sandwich from Popeyes is really good. I'm going to have to plan a day where I can try that thing. Press I agree, and we're off. I'm sure we may have to, we have to confirm our email address. Let me do that really quick. Okay, so now I am totally in my account now on Flattered. This is where you would upload a picture of yourself if that's what you have. This is where you would create a bio for yourself. And this right here is where you would link your social media accounts. What you can do is go ahead and go up here to where your name is and go to dashboard. And what you probably would want to do pretty quickly is verify your account. I'm already in the process of that because I didn't show it on here, but you have to confirm your address and you have to send them maybe like a picture of, your driver's license or a passport or something like that to verify your account. And then from there, you can get a little bit more details and kind of figure out how much you want to get paid, okay, from your posts and things like that. And as you can see, there's this link here. I can go to it. Let's see what the profile is going to look like. It'll look like this. Obviously, I don't have anything on here. But when you connect your social media accounts, it'll start to track all of that, okay? And you can obviously make your profile, description really good, things like that. I was just using this for example purposes. But like I said, I just wanted to throw an idea out there if you're like, well, what the heck do I post? Like I said, if you're somebody that loves trends like this, you're always on them, you're always finding them, you're always posting about them. If you already make videos about them, there's a really good chance people love that kind of stuff right now. I mean, especially if they see somebody who seems like a relatable kind of average person doing it, you'd be surprised at how many people will actually support you behind something like this, as silly as this. There are people that have turned doing things like this into like literally full-time incomes, and it's pretty insane. So that's just an idea, but you can do whatever you want, okay, on Flatter. Flatter is very much like Patreon. I don't know if you know, Patreon is pretty much the same thing. If you go to a lot of YouTube channels right now, if they're either not putting ads, monetizing their channel to make money from it, a lot of times they'll say, hey, if you want to support me, donate to me through my Patreon account, and they'll have their links and things like that, and you can donate to them. This is where I've seen kind of a shift of things like this. It's kind of headed in towards kind of that direction where people have donation pages and sites and things like that. But like I said, so many of you already post things that if you just thought a little bit differently on it, you could actually start getting paid for it. This video, subscribe if you haven't already, and then also let me know down below if the Popeyes chicken sandwich is really better than Chick-fil-A, because if y'all say that, I'm gonna have to try it, and I don't know. Also, go ahead and check out the first link in my video description below if you're wanting to see what I make up to $500 on a daily basis with, something for a little bit more serious people. This is also something for people who want to end up working full-time from home and get to the point where they're making more money than they ever have at being at some 9-to-5 job. Check that out, and I'll see you on the other side.